Ano ang sabi? Sa pagpili ng sasakyan, for sure gusto natin na almost anything na kayang gawin ng isang sasakyan para sa atin, kaya niya dapat gawin. Yung tipong sulit talaga siya. Kaya itong sasakyan na pag-uusapan natin today, I believe can serve this purpose for you. Ito po ang 2024 all-new Suzuki Jimny 5-door all-grip. Let's go! Kung di pa po kayo nagsasubscribe sa channel ko, please do consider subscribing and hit that like button. Maraming salamat po. At ayun na nga, nilabas na ni Suzuki recently ang kanilang unang offering for this year 2024. And as simple as the vehicle is, it got everyone excited. Kasi naman ang Jimny ay isang icon na sa larangan ng mga 4 wheels. Pag narinig mo yung pangalan pa lang niya, ewan ko, pumapasok na sa isip ko isang all-around vehicle, as in do it all, alang arte, talagang pangsaba kahit saan. If you think about it, it is perfect for the kind of roads that we have. Well, it was purposely built to tackle any road condition. It will not give you that adrenaline rush on speed, yung that kind of feeling, kasi ang performance niya is more on the torque delivery. Kaya sa outdoor adventure kind of road trip, doon ka niya bibigyan ng adrenaline rush. Yung masasabi mo na, yes, this is the life. Yung tipong kasama mo yung family mo, o mga kaibigan mo, tropa mo on a camping adventure kung saan man yan, this vehicle can take you there with no sweat at all. Masasabi mo nga na it's like a car shaped like a square box, but it is a lot more than that. Talaga namang madaming pwedeng pag-usapan sa sasakyan na to. In a way, to put it in simple terms, it's just like the same 3-door Jimny that we already have existing with 2 extra doors. Same overall design, same engine and interior, but with the 5 doors, so you can bring 2 or 3 extra people with you. At para sa akin, napakalaking bagay niyan. So you can make more happy memories together, at yan ang mga bagay na importante sa buhay natin para we make the most out of these simple things in life. Noong una kong nakita to, nasabi ko, now this is a fun car. Nakakatuwa kasi parang dito ko lang nakikita yung ganito na it is a Jimny at ala ka masyadong expectations sa kanya. As in, you will just like what you see at ma-appreciate mo lang siya as it is. You will just like na meron siyang bagong modelo ngayon. Well, kasi naman, this is one of those iconic cars from Japan na meron talagang sobrang malaking following. As in, meron siyang solid fan base that just really love what this car is all about. Now, speaking of what this car is all about, umpisa na natin pag-usapan yung kanyang authentic design na talagang kanya lang. Pag tingin mo pa lang sa harap niya, madami kang pwedeng maisip na salita na pwede mong i-define para sa kanya. Pwedeng cute, rugged, at syempre yun nga, iconic. Pero para sa akin, it is a great all-around vehicle. Kahit hindi siya ganun kalakihan, hindi mo siya pwedeng i-underestimate kasi napaka-capable nito. Andyan yung very recognizable na front grille design niya na may 5 pillars or slots. At yung legendary niyang mga headlights na bilog ang design. Bilog din po ang fog lamps niya at para dito po sa manual version, naka-projector halogen bulbs po siya. At yung front bumper niya, from the look alone, alam mo na andun yung very strong character. I would say that it has that simple yet eye-catching look, very recognizable kahit sa malayo. Sa side profile naman, it has a set of 15-inch alloy wheels. At kita naman, mapapansin mo agad yung kanyang mga pillars na puro diretso lang yan pataas. Ayos din po at mataas ang ground clearance niya at meron din po siyang protector rubber guard na mula sa harap all the way sa mga wheel arcs hanggang dito sa likod. The windows are big kaya you will really enjoy sightseeing pag andito ka sa loob na sasakyan na to. Kaya syempre, kilala ang Suzuki dito sa mga pinto nila, it opens really wide. Kaya no hassle ang pagpasok at paglabas. Kahit alang grab handles dito po sa B-pillar to assist you. By the way, door handles po niya is the old school type, yung OG. Okay din dahil it blends well with the look of the Jimny. And for this color variant, it's very simple. It's just black and white. Dito naman po sa likod, I like yung setup ng spare tire niya na nakamount dito. Ayan po sa likod. It really looks cool. It adds that adventure safari kind of look. At dahil 5-door siya, mas malaki po ang space dito sa likod. Ayan po, pwede nyo pong i-fold yung second row seats. Mas madami ka pang mailalagay ng mga gamit. At sinilip ko rin po yung kanyang pang-ilalim. At dito po makikita nyo po yung kanyang rigid axle, yung suspension system na nagbibigay sa kanya ng stability at off-road capability. Pero bago pa natin mas pag-usapan ng off-road features or capability niya, check natin ang interior. Well, sitting here on the second row seat, I can say na sakto lang ang space. Hindi siya yung talaga masasabi mo na ang luwag dito ah. Upright ng position pero maganda po ang cushioning at okay tong fabric seats niya. May power window sa likod and honestly, there's not much to see as far as amenities are concerned. At sa buong paligid, hard plastic sa material sa makikita mo na ginamit dito. The design is functional, but in the back of my mind, habang andito ako sa loob nakaupo sa second row seat, iniisip ko, it's like all of this for 1.5M? At tinatanong ko po yan sa isip ko kasi medyo I find it pricey. But I guess there is really something about the vehicle that makes it worthy of this price tag. Sa harap, driver seat is fine, manual po ang adjust niyan. Ang steering wheel po niya, tilt lang ang adjustment. The instrument panel, ayan po, dalawang magkatabi na analog, may maliit na digital display sa gitna. Maganda rin po ang field of view, field of vision mo, maganda ang visibility. The controls as you can see are placed strategically that it's very easy to reach and to get used to. Masasabi mo, isa ito sa mga pinakasimpleng interior na nakita ko, especially for a car that came out of 2024. As a personal opinion, I know this is not the popular choice, but for me, I feel na mas masarap i-drive tong manual version niya. Pero pag tinignan mo kasi, this is not the ideal everyday daily driver of a car. This is like a weekend car for me. Yung magandang dalhin for a weekend getaway kung saan man yan. And I feel with the manual, you can get most out of the engine and its performance. Fact is, the 5-door Jimny, it's longer. It has the use of more steel obviously. Mas bumigat siya. Pero engine niya, it's still the same configuration, same thing with the 3-door version. Kaya mas mataas ang dinidemand sa makina nito dito sa 5-door version. Kaya parang nakikita ko na ideal ang manual kasi para mas ramdam mo yung makina, you feel more connected to the vehicle, you can play with the gears, alam mo yung saktong gear na kailangan niya sa tinatakbo mong kalsada or at the speed or terrain that you're handling. Well, that is just my opinion. All in all, this is a very robust and solid car. At syempre dahil dyan, meron din po siyang mga safety features. Well, as you know, the Jimny has the All Grip Pro 4-wheel drive system. Kaya dahil po dyan, kaya niya pong i-handle any kind of terrain. It has the 2-wheel drive mode na smooth, quiet, fuel efficient, para sa mga normal na kalsada, yung mga paved roads. And then you got the 4-wheel drive mode na merong low range at high range. High range po, o 4-wheel drive, additional traction po binibigay niya for dirt or gravel trails. Pero ito naman pong low range 4-wheel drive, maximum torque po ang binibigay niya para sa mga soft na mga buhangin, mud, steep climb, rocky terrain. Yan po ang pinagmamalaking main feature ng Suzuki Jimny. Meron din po siyang high rigidity ladder frame at yung 3-link rigid axle suspension with coil spring. Ample ang ground clearance niya. Meron po siyang hill hold control, hill descent control, ABS with EBD function, automatic headlamps, cruise control, electronic stability program, SRS front dual airbags. At syempre, pasadahan natin na sa mabilis yung kanyang makina. Very trusted, reliable, the 1.5 liter petrol engine. Maximum torque niya is around 130 Newton meters at 4,000 RPM. Maximum output naman po is 75 PSI at 6,000 RPM. At kita naman po yung engine niya ay nakamount po na medyo mataas kasi ready po to sa off-road driving. Kasi ready po to tackle any type of terrain. At dito po sa Suzuki Taytay, available po ang bagong 5-door Suzuki Jimny. At dito po si Sir John Louis Pineda, Sales Executive po yan dito sa Suzuki Taytay. Ayan po ang kanyang contact details. Pasyalan nyo na po ang Suzuki Taytay. Available po a complete lineup ng mga Suzuki vehicles. Sa pagtatapos, Alam nyo, you can say a lot about what's great about this vehicle and also at the same time what's lacking, but at the same time you will also see what is lacking about this vehicle. But at the end of the day, people will still buy this. You may ask why? Kasi meron siyang masasabi mo na wala sa ibang sasakyan na pinipilit nilang magkaroon. And that is its own character, its own identity in the market. Kasi pag ang isang sasakyan ay meron nito, people will always be interested. And that's what the Jimny is all about. It is an interesting vehicle. It's not the most comfortable or practical vehicle to own, but then, owning one means you own something very special. Ito po ang 2024 Suzuki Jimny 5-door all-grip. If you found some value on this video, please do consider subscribing and hit that like button. Maraming salamat po. Drive safe. I'll see you on the next one.